Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show how to crochet the cable stitch. I'm using worsted weight yarn, and I'd highly recommend using a larger crochet hook than you normally would. To begin, chain 31 or any multiple of 5 plus 1. Make a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. The skip chains count as one double crochet. Make a double crochet in each stitch across. You will have a total of 29 stitches. Chain 1 and turn. Make one single crochet in each stitch across. Remember to make the single crochet in the turning chain 3. You will have a total of 29 stitches. Chain 3 and turn. Make one double crochet in the next 2 stitches. We're going to work with the next 3 stitches from 2 rows below. We'll do front post stitches around these 3 double crochet stitches. Our first front post double crochet will be made in the middle of those 3 stitches. Then make a front post double crochet around the next stitch. Now, go back to the skip stitch and this time make a front post treble crochet stitch around it. It's important to really lift your yarn when making these stitches. And try to make these stitches loosely. Otherwise, the fabric will begin to curl inwards. And there's the first part of cable 1. Skip the 3 stitches from behind. In each of the next 2 stitches, make one double crochet. And the second double crochet. Now we're going to work with the next 3 stitches again from 2 rows below. Find the 3 double crochet stitches, and our first front post double crochet will go in the middle stitch. Then make a front post double crochet in the next stitch. Now, go back to the skip stitch and this time make a front post treble crochet stitch around it. It doesn't look like much yet, but after about 4 or 5 rows, you'll see the cable starting to form. Skip the 3 stitches from behind. And in the next 2 stitches, make one double crochet in each stitch. Continue this pattern across the row. At the end, you'll have 3 stitches remaining. Make one double crochet in each of the last 3 stitches on this row. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and turn. Across this row, just make one single crochet in each stitch across. It's important to count with this pattern and to not forget those ending stitches. You'll have 29 stitches once completed. As always, you can take a new color yarn and change colors at this time. Chain 3 and turn. In the next 2 stitches, make one double crochet. And the second double crochet. We're going to do the same pattern again, but where we place the stitches is different. Make a front post double crochet around what looks like the middle front post stitch from 2 rows below. Next, make a front post double crochet stitch around the next post stitch. And finally, make a front post treble crochet stitch around the skip stitch over here like this. You can see the first cable starting to form even more now. Skip the 3 stitches in the back and make 1 double crochet over the next 2 stitches. Luckily, these stitches will line up with the previous double crochet stitches, so it's a bit easier to see. Let's do the cable stitch again. Make a front post double crochet in the middle front post stitch. Then make a front post double crochet around the next post stitch. Finally, make a front post treble crochet around the skipped post stitch. And then do 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches like this. Continue with this pattern across the row. At the end, you'll make a double crochet in each of the last 3 stitches. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and turn. And as before, after a row of front post stitches, we'll do this next row with just 1 single crochet in each stitch across for a total of 29 stitches. Subsequent rows are made by repeating the front post row and then the single crochet row. And that's how I make crochet cables.
To get more videos like this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.